Here we have a new Bugari 280 silver piano accordion, low, middle, middle, high, and 41 keys, full size, on the right hand. It has a wonderful bassoon, bandoneon, accordion, harmonium, organ, master, really nice punch on there, and also, of course, the master bar is there. The violin switch with the two middles, clarinet, musette. You have the middle and the high, oboe, and then the piccolo. Over here, we have 7 registers. So, all in all, you have an extremely well built and very comfortable 24-pound non-tone chambered accordion. Very direct sounding reeds on this. It's just very comfortable to play and sounds awesome. This accordion is extremely versatile. It is basically able to be used in just about any kind of setting. It's comfortable for strolling, it's comfortable for sitting, it's comfortable for standing, and gets you a wide variety of tonal flavors with a nice concert tuning. So let's get a nice old polka.